Hello, my name is Tiffany Anderson, and I did the Salon AI booking assistant. It's a multi-agent AI system for salon questions, availability, booking, deposits, and confirmation. Salon AI turns common questions into guided bookings. The reason why I did decide to do this one is because I know a lot of entrepreneurs that provide service-based they provide services, and so they have to answer a lot of questions before an actual booking or payment confirmation. And so I wanted to make their job a little bit easier. Even me as a fashion designer, I do have to answer a lot of questions, getting more details about what look the customer wants. So when you're providing a service, you definitely would love to have something like an AI agent to help answer some of these repetitive questions for you. So the goal is to reduce repetitive questions while creating a safer, clearing booking experience. This is one of the flows that it goes through. A requested time is not final until the customer approves the summary. The simulated deposit succeeds and availability is rechecked and the calendar event is created. It does have 6 focus pages and one main page that actually has the chatbot on it. The booking flow protects customers before confirmation. It's only confirmed when the payment status is completed and it has checked the Google calendars and provided a calendar event ID. So once you choose the service, it checks the slots, reviews the details, simulates the deposits, and creates the event. So this is just a mock workflow of how my N8N is set up. So there will be on the front facing customer side, that's Streamlit. It then connects to a coordinator agent by going through a webhook. And then the coordinator agent decides if it's going to go to the FAQ agent, the booking agent, or the payment agent. And at the end, you get a confirmation. For the tech stack, I did use Streamlit and I created the Streamlit using Python. For the AI, I use N8N, OpenAI, and Simple Memory. For the business tools, I did Google Sheets, Google Calendar, and then of course Stripe or Square can be added. For this video, it's not on there just for privacy purposes. And this can be opened in a Docker, but honestly, I use the VS Code to open my Streamlit user interface. The front end is a strong foundation. We did decide to go with pink, white, and black. It comes with the chat history and it does have quick FAQ prompts. It can do the appointments, the bookings, payments, cancellations, changes. It also can upload a ticket for a human support escalation. The memory that was added provides unique session IDs, and we do use a webhook payload. So when I integrated it, first I added the production webhook, which connects to the coordinator. The coordinator returns a response JSON. It'll send it to either the FAQ, the calendar, or the deposit, and then I have a respond webhook as well. These are the phases that it can go through, but it doesn't go through all of these phases every single time. It may go from the UI to the FAQ and that's it. It may go from the UI straight to the booking calendar or straight to the booking calendar and then the confirmation. So when I was testing it, since the AI agent is a bit simple. I did do simple requests and it got 90% accuracy for FAQs, 90% for booking confirmations, and 95% for the correct tool selection, zero double bookings, less than 5-second response time, and less than 5% workflow error rate. These are also some of the metrics that I did use for evaluation. So we evaluated accuracy, the booking workflow, the knowledge base, retrieval response consistency, latency, and end-to-end workflow. So these are some of the safeguards that I did decide to that I was thinking about as I was making the agents. You can pause to read it. This is my submission package. This, as I was building it, this is what I made sure was included. And here for my limitations in future work. So although I do like this chatbot, I understand that it's not perfect, and of course there's better versions out there already available. So in order to make mine better, I would expand the knowledge base by adding more FAQs, services, pricing, stylist profiles, promotion and appointment policies. I can integrate RAG with vector embeddings to improve and answer beyond exact keyword matches. I can add real-time appointment availability and automatic conflict checking with Google Calendar, implement customer authenticity and appointment history, support image uploads so customers can share hairstyle inspiration photos. I can add text and email confirmations using Twilio or SendGrid, and I can also develop a mobile application to integrate voice assistant capabilities. So now we're gonna go, let's refresh it. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna not ask another question. All right, now when it comes to the back end, this is my setup for my N8N chat. From the user interface, it is gonna go to the webhook. And so for this, I put use responsive webhook node. So that's what triggers it. It goes to the agent coordinator, which does have OpenAI attached to it. And this is my user message, which pretty much means once the webhook sends it over, that's what's going to be their prompt. So you'll put define below into your JSON message, and then in the system message, it's giving my coordinator instructions on what to do and what not to do. So, all right, so once the question is asked and the coordinator agent decides which agent to send it to, these are my little bots. Previously, I had like one agent after another and then the webhook at the end, but I found it more efficient to use these bots as a tool to the main agent. So that way it returns a lower response time and it's a little bit more accurate because it doesn't have to go through the FAQ bot to get to the booking bot. So I put in the description, use this tool to answer questions about salon services, pricing, business hours, etc. And telling it what not to do. You must search the Salon AI Google Sheets knowledge base before answering. So these are just instructions that you will put in the description. Same thing. Use this tool only after the customer has decided to book. I made this one a little bit more in detail because it does attach to the Google Calendar, so I want to make sure I tell it exactly what I want. So in the system message, only begin collecting booking information after the customer has clearly stated they want to book an appointment. You have to put in instructions like that in order for your agent to be more accurate. And then also for my salon payment specialist, I did the same thing. All right. And so that's my project. I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you for the opportunity to up let me create a agent. It's my first time. How did I do?